Amp up your English. Emphasize your opinions with adverbs. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to dive deep into the world of adverbs for emphasis, a key tool to make your opinions stand out in any conversation. Whether you're discussing a movie, sharing thoughts about a book, or expressing your point of view on an issue, knowing how to emphasize your opinion can enhance your communication and make it more impactful. Before we jump into examples and exercises, let's make sure we understand what we're dealing with here. Adverbs for emphasis, sometimes called intensifiers, are words that can be added to other words, typically verbs, adjectives, or other adverbs, to make them stronger or more forceful. Some common adverbs of emphasis are really, very, extremely, absolutely, and particularly. We use these words to strengthen our language and express our opinions more emphatically. While using these adverbs, it's important to note their correct placement in a sentence. Generally, adverbs of emphasis are placed before the word they are modifying. For instance, in the sentence, "I really like this movie," really is the adverb of emphasis modifying like. In another example, "She is extremely talented," extremely is modifying talented. Remember, placing the adverb correctly is crucial to ensure that your sentence conveys the intended meaning. Let's expand our knowledge with more adverbs of emphasis. Words like significantly, incredibly, deeply, and thoroughly can add variety and depth to your language use. Here are some examples. 1. I am incredibly grateful for your help. 2. He is deeply concerned about the environment. 3. She is thoroughly prepared for the presentation. These sentences express opinions with a greater intensity and make your statements more compelling. Now, it's your turn. Practice makes perfect, right? Try using these adverbs in your conversations and written English. Experiment with different adverbs and observe how they can change the tone and strength of your opinions. Remember, it's okay to make mistakes. It's a part of the learning process. And that's it for today's lesson. We hope this session on adverbs of emphasis has helped you understand how they can be used to emphasize your opinions and make your English conversations more vibrant and engaging. So, the next time you're sharing your thoughts, don't forget to use these powerful tools. Happy learning, and we'll see you in our next video.